Oh, Ganendra, this is the best trip ever. I know, right? Hey guys, want to see some cool tricks? No, no, no.
I'm getting tired
How
of
about some
bridge.
jokes? No, no.
Boring.
It's getting
Yeah, I
bored.
mean, come on,
Alright,
man.
I guess. Say, guys, what's all people doing about? Oh, they're probably some jokes or something. Or maybe they have some parties. Something's not right. Yeah, agree. Okay, me, Riska, and Wildan will go see if there's anything wrong, right? You all stay here, okay?
Whatever.
Say, guys, what's going on with the argue about?
God, it is! Run! Get out!
what are you talking
what
about?
about? Forget everything and
no,
save yourself!
Let's go. Everyone get out. There's a train coming on the same track. What? Oh no. Oh boy, this is not. Wait, you guys heard that? Oh no. It's flying. Everyone,